Hey cooks, welcome back. Another edition. I am cooking again. Mojo barbecue chicken. I didn't say smoked. I said barbecue. We're gonna put this thing on the charcoal, man. Get on the Kingsford, man. Get that little char. You know that char with that mustard sauce in there. You char it again. You know, old school barbecue chicken, y'all. Simple. We're gonna brine it, marinate it, same thing, in the Mojo sauce. Okay? Mojo, leg quarters fresh, a little chicken. Rub. Now rub the chicken, get it in the Mojo sauce, refrigerator, at least 3-4 hours. Okay, cooks? Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. Here we are. We're back. Get your little rub on there. Okay? Or whatever you want to do. Salt, pepper, garlic, whatever you like, man. Toss your chicken around, man. Like I said, we're going in the refrigerator, okay? Move one out the way if you want to. Get to the bottom now. Don't leave out the bottom. All right, get that on there. Mojo. Okay? Like I said, this is your brine. All right, we might we're gonna hit more of that rub also. We're gonna throw this whole bottle in there. We'll get that together. Look at that right there. Now, old school, we put a little water in there and shake it up, get a little more. I'm gonna do it off camera, of course. A little more. Okay? Some good coverage. Flip, flop the bloom. Flip it around, work it around, do your thing. In the refrigerator. I did. You proud of me? Put it in the refrigerator. Okay, cooks? Put this thing in the refrigerator, man. At least 3-4 hours, man. Let this thing set in. It's gonna change your life. Stay what you got. Hey, cool. Hey, man, we outside, man. Got the little kettle, man. We're doing, like I said, barbecue chicken, man. This thing been here for 5 hours, man. Skin side down, man. Get the skin charred up, man. Thighs down, cook thighs down, man. Come on, man. Couple drums. 6 at a time. We got 12 pieces here. 6 at a time, man. Let's get it. Look at that right there, cooks. Come on, cooks. Look at this. Oh. Jeez. That's a hot cook, bro. Hot cook, man. We're going to char the chicken up, man. We're going to get it together. Quick and fast, barbecue style, like we're in the park. Like it's 19, oh man, I said 19. My son said never say 19. 2000, like it's 2000, no, it's from 1986 stuff, right? Oh, come on, cooks. Say what you got, man. I'm cooking again. Hey, cooks, welcome back. Here we are, man. Like I said, man, come on, y'all. Oh, chicken on it. Come on, man. Mustard sauce. Let's go, man. Get your brush, man. Get your brush if you got a brush. If you don't have a brush, don't matter. Slop it on there. Slop it on there, man. Put it right. This is how you get the char. That's the char. You know what I mean? Get your chicken up. It's past 160. I measured it. I'm gonna trust this thermometer, man. Wait a minute, Brett. Wait a minute now. Okay. Come on, coach. Slather it. Is that the word, slather? I don't know. I ain't read the dictionary yet. And then, see, this is the hustle right here. Put that on the burn side. Put that on the burn side, man. It's contemplated. Oh, man. Get that burned in there, that mustard sauce is burned in that chicken. I'm not seeing songs yet. Get some thighs up there like, oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. See? And we're gonna be quick here, y'all. Less than a minute, well, less than 5 minutes. Not a big deal. It is hot, man. This thing, ooh, it's smoking in my face. Look at the backside, come on, coach. Boom, 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 boom. I'm saying boom, okay. No more boom. Bam. Okay. Look at this, coach. You gonna get this thing, man? Get this thing. Oh, man, that's the chicken. Bet you want a piece right now. Don't you? I do. Okay, so, yeah, I'm walking first. Let's say right now, man, I'm gonna leave it open for a minute. Let the heat build up, man. It's hot out here, man. Subscribe to the channel. It's raining, man. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay with your guy, man. I'm out here, man. We cooking again. Hey, cooks, here we are. We at the end. Come on, man. Taste. Oh, and you see that black? Nothing wrong with black. That's that. Ooh. 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 That's what my sister called you. Your sister called you. Your brother called you. That's barbecue chicken. That's barbecue chicken. Not smoked chicken. We do it white. That is barbecue. That is barbecue chicken. Sometimes it's lame to do smoked chicken. Sometimes it's lame to do boiled chicken or fried chicken. Every once in a while, it's barbecue chicken, and that's barbecue chicken with the sauce, and the chocolate, and the char. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Whatever that means. But stay what you got, man. I'm cooking it.